Get ready to witness the incredible talent and beauty of the 10 most attractive women billiards players. These remarkable women have taken the billiards world by storm with their skills, grace, and undeniable charm. Let's explore their captivating stories and achievements. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is Emily Duddy, also known as the billiards bombshell. As one of the top 10 women pool players in the USA, Emily's rise to success has been nothing short of remarkable. From winning the title of Rookie of the Year to representing the USA in multiple world championships, she's proven herself as a force to be reckoned with. At number 9, we have the Spanish-American beauty, Mary Avina. With her various nicknames like Princess, the Red Angel, and Trick Shot Princess, Mary is not just an expert on the billiards table but also an accomplished model and billiards instructor. Her trick shot videos have garnered attention worldwide, making her one of the most desirable women in sports. Coming in at number 8 is Angelina Paglia, or Angel, a true talent hailing from Michigan, USA. In addition to her passion for billiards, Angelina is a synchronized swimmer and a violinist, showcasing her versatility in the arts. With an impressive list of titles under her belt, including the Arizona State 8-ball and 9-ball championships, she's a true inspiration to aspiring players. At number 7, we have the legendary Eva Mattia Lawrence, also known as the leading lady of billiards or the striking Viking. Eva's contributions to the billiards world go beyond her professional tournament wins. As an author, sports writer, and ESPN sports commentator, she has become a prominent figure in the sport. Her journey from representing Europe to making South Carolina her home is nothing short of extraordinary. Moving on to number 6, we have Neslihan Gürel, a Turkish native who excels both on and off the billiards table. With a background in swimming, football, and volleyball, Neslihan's athletic prowess is undeniable. Her talent extends even further, as she's a champion dart player and a fashion design major. Neslihan is a true embodiment of versatility and skill. Claiming the number 5 spot is the Albanian beauty, Borana Andoni, also known as Queen Bee or Killer Bee. With her background in music and an academic record that includes a bachelor's degree in finance and a minor in mathematics, Borana's intelligence shines through her game. Her achievements on the billiards table and dedication to her studies make her an inspiration to many. At number 4, we have the iconic Black Widow, Jeanette Lee. A mother of 6 and a winner of over 30 national and international titles, Jeanette's dominance in billiards is legendary. Despite her scoliosis diagnosis at a young age, she's persevered and become one of the most influential figures in the sport. Her resilience and skills make her a true inspiration. Taking the number 3 spot is the blonde bombshell, Jennifer Barretta, known as Nina. Jennifer's prowess in 9-ball has earned her recognition as one of the top female players in the world. Beyond her skills, she's been featured in Playboy magazine and has been voted among the sexiest female athletes of all time. Her determination and competitive spirit set her apart. Securing the number 2 position is Anastasia Lapova, the hottest billiards player from Russia. With her achievements as a 2-time European champion and Russian and her victory in the Miss Billiards competition, Anastasia has become a symbol of beauty and skill. Her presence on the billiards table is as captivating as her stunning looks. And finally, our number 1 spot goes to Chanel Lorraine, a true global talent. Born in Japan, raised in Guam, and recognized as Guam's best pool player, Chanel's journey in billiards has been filled with skill, beauty, and charm. Although she never snapped off a major event, her skills and charisma continue to win hearts and minds. Chanel is a true gem in the world of billiards. And that concludes our countdown of the 10 most attractive women billiards players. These remarkable women have not only dazzled us with their beauty but have also showcased their incredible talent on the billiards table. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the world of billiards and discovered some amazing players along the way. Until next time, keep aiming high and enjoying the game.